Hello guys, good evening. Good evening everything. Good evening everyone. So we are here in our hostel guys. This is a farm. This is a plantation of apple and pear guys. guys, good evening, or yes, good evening, because it's already 6:34 in the evening, everyone. And guys, we just check in where we gonna sleep, so maybe I can have some little tour. Then it's a wrong way. Then now we are going to find some restaurant to eat, to find something to eat, guys, because we are so hungry. And yeah, guys, so it's a long day for us again since we left Molda. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, so now we just arrived at 18:35, so 6:35 in the evening, everyone. Yeah, guys, we are under in the tunnel, guys. So nice the tunnel here because it's a tiles. Looks so yes, update, we did enjoy the trip of everyone. And when we are in the boat, I didn't take a lot of video, guys, because it's raining and deck on the top. So yes, everyone, then and I got a headache because last night we slept quite late. So yeah, and yeah, now I took some Paracet or tablets, so I could relax my and over there is something as well. So now, guys, we are looking for a restaurant to eat. Yeah, there is no other restaurant here because this place is not so big, guys. So maybe we can find here something to eat, a cafe, a local pizza bar. Pizza bar, I don't know what we're gonna find it, but wow, it's so nice here, guys, beside the restaurant, guys. I will show you outside. It's a falls. Look at behind. This is very nice. It's falls. It's a falls over there. It's so nice. Oh, it's raining, everyone. See, and this other is a little bridge down there.
Hi guys, afternoon.
Good evening. Good evening. It's not good afternoon. So yeah, guys. So we are going in and find something to eat, guys. Okay. So yeah, I'm so hungry, everyone. I just eat the chips. So yes, I hope that we have something to eat good here. Otherwise, yeah, walking naman si Inday. Naghahanap kami ng restaurant, guys. Then it's a little bit raining, everyone. So it's so nice here, guys. It's a small town. Then it's not so much people. I think here the population is not so huh? Understand? Oh, it's closed, everyone. So I think we're gonna eat only there. The kebab. No other restaurant down here. So yes, guys. Yeah. Vlog pa more, vlog pa more. Vlog pa more. I don't know if I can vlog inside. Yes, guys, so we are eating now. So the food is here, guys, so we are going to eat now. So I'll show you guys what kind of food we order. Ooh, this is hamper. Food is life. This is food. Let's eat, everyone. Hello guys, good evening everyone. Good evening guys. So we are here in our hostel. So see, yes, I will show you guys around how big it is, the room guys. So what you're doing? Yeah. So yes guys, so I will show you guys how big our room. So look at this guys. This is our bed. Messy bed, and of course you're gonna sleep there. Oh, this is only not so big everyone, but it's so cozy. A lot of there's a table there, there's a chair.
It's okay.
And I don't care how big it is guys, even the small, as long as we can sleep. Then there is a veranda down here guys. Then I will show you the beautiful view. Look at that. Is it beautiful guys? So we went there guys. We went there for dinner, or where is it? I think over there. We went for dinner there guys. So yeah, it's very nice. This is our view. This is a hostel guys. It's like a motel like that, but it's very nice. I really like. I don't care how big it is, but this is very nice everyone. And this is not very expensive. It's very affordable. And look at that, our neighbor there. Yeah, so very nice. Everyone. So yeah. Yeah, everyone. That's so good. So guys, that's all guys. So very nice there. Hello guys, good evening. Good evening everything. Good evening everyone. So we are here in our hostel guys. We are here in our motel. Parang ano ba, parang apartment siya guys. So ito yung view sa likod ko guys. Nasa veranda ako everyone. So look at that, how beautiful it is guys. So this is our fourth stop everyone. So yes, we're gonna stay here until tomorrow, and we're gonna stay here until tomorrow, and we're gonna drive. We're gonna check out 10:30 in the morning, and we're gonna drive to our next destination. Parang ano ba, parang plane ba, our next destination. Yeah, 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 yeah. There you go. Our view. This is the veranda, guys. So, sorry nga pala sa mga hindi ako naka-attend na kanilang mga premiere, LS guys, kasi nasa travel kami, kung mag-wifi ako guys. So, yun pa ang pag-reply ko guys. Okay? Kasi hindi ako maubos yung data ko guys. So, yeah. That's all. I just want only to show our view. Yes guys. Ayan lang guys, kasi super ganda talaga. And it's so cold, so I have to go in guys. It's very cold. My premiere boat there guys. Yeah. Good morning guys. Ito yung aming view today everyone. So beautiful, right? Bahami. And yes guys, next video, next stop namin. So aalis na kami guys kasi we are going to our 5th stop everyone. So ayan. Yan ang view guys sa likod namin. So aalis na kami. I'm only transferring my videos to my hard disk everyone kasi full na yung memory. So yeah guys, it's very nice here. Ha? Harutisa? So guys, so if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so that you will notify whenever I upload a new video. So see you guys in my 5th stop everyone, in our 5th stop everyone. So follow us guys in our journey around Norway. So bye for now everyone. See you in my next one guys. Bye. Have a nice Tuesday everyone. Bye.